this video, we're going to use the Pythagorean identity. It says, given that sine theta is equal to negative 3 root 10 over 10, and theta is in quadrant 4, what is cosine theta? So I'm going to draw a quadrant 4 triangle. This is theta. If I have sine being negative 3 root 10 over 10, and I'm in quadrant 4, that means the y value is negative, so I'm going to write negative 3 root 10 here. That's the opposite side, over 10 here. Now I could find this value right here using the Pythagorean theorem to find it. And then I would be able to find what cosine theta is. But I'm just going to use the Pythagorean identity to figure this out. So I'm going to say sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Plug in sine, so I end up with negative 3 root 10 over 10 squared plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. When I square the numerator and the denominator, I end up with 9. Root of 10 squared is just going to be times 10 over, I'm going to have 10 squared here, plus cosine squared theta equals 1. This will give you, if I cancel the 10 here, I can cancel one of these. This is really 10 times 10, so I can say this 10 goes away, that would get rid of the exponent, so I have just 9/10 plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. If I subtract 9/10 to the other side, I will have cosine squared theta is equal to, this would be 10 over 10 minus 9 over 10, which is 1/10. I'm going to take the square root on each side. And that will give you, plus and minus here, cosine theta is equal to, we're in quadrant 4, so cosine's positive, so I'm going to ignore the negative version of this, and I would get 1, when I take the square root of 1 on top, over root 10 on the bottom. But they're going to want us to rationalize this, so we're going to multiply by root 10 over root 10, and I get root 10 over 10 for what cosine theta would be.